Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When x approaches to number 2, so I will put number 2 colon here and here. We have 2 minus 2. We have number 0. Similar for the second one. So this one we have 0 over 0 and we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1. Number 2, that is about the constant, so we have number 1. So we just do first the derivative of this one. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So this one, that should be like this. So first the derivative of s, we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. So we simplify and we have number 1. And now I will put number 2 colon here. And then we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.